going on, everyone? It's Parker back to you with another crypto video. I just wanted to make this quick little market update because for anybody who watched my video last time, you saw that I was right. I made this video on, I think, June 15th. So we were right here. We were right around the $19,000 range. And I said, guys, we saw this tight funnel. Expect some relief to bring it back in the funnel, because we were right here with the CCI looking at a flat to maybe some possible recovery and some capulation, and look what happened, folks. Let's get this crypto. Now, people, you might think I open up a long, and I'm not dumb. I knew this. This isn't the bottom, you dumbies of the market. The Moon Boys got wrecked, and they're going to continue to get wrecked if they think this is the bottom. You look at the time frame of this asset. Tight squeeze of money, and right now with these sell-offs, tight squeeze. Look, people, we're not seeing a huge buy off where it goes into a confluence of a buy. We're just we're going into a sideways motion, a stair-stepping motion in the Keltner's channel, all the way up to 26,000, I think, and then drop back into the abyss. Let's get this crypto. So this, folks, is the bot I'm working on. If you guys think, oh, he's going to promote the indicator, no, I'm not going to let you guys know about this stuff. This indicator is the key to unlocking outside the matrix. And most of you may know Andrew Tate by now. He talks a lot about finding ways to look at money just as a number, right? So I'm not going to go into detail about this indicator, but I can print money, and it's nice. But what this indicator is saying for the day is we're on a very, very nice uptrend, right? Beautiful break in the volume. Confirmed green. People, we're looking at some nice buys right now. If you're a longer, cool, man. I'm just gonna have a juicier short when this all goes to crap. People look at the Fibonacci ratio and say, since we've dipped below the golden line way back here, will we see a touchback from the, I guess, a 21-week average Fibonacci support on the main boy, the green boy. This would be a first in Bitcoin's life, which would be pretty cool. So what does this mean? What does this mean if you see this video out of random and you say, you know what? I'm seeing what this guy's putting down so far, and I'm going to listen. Okay, so now that I got your attention, let's talk about analytics. Gotcha. Okay. Bitcoin is doing a classic, I think, a bearish divergence triangle. We've seen it 4 times in the stock market's history, where it's called the kiss of death, where it touches the 21-week moving average, and what this would basically represent, a kiss of death, where it would duck below, try to touch it again, and then just fall. The targets for this, what am I thinking, folks? We're getting in a very big daily cross, as you can see, on the 9th of August, so coming up in about 4 days. Bitcoin either has to break this this resistance line in the next 2 days, so August 8th, that would be around 23, high 23s. And if it uses this huge resistance as a breaker, we could see that pump, folks, to what's the gray line saying? 27,000. But the top of the Keltner channel is saying 24,005, or high 24,859. I'd say the golden ratio is right around 24,700. If you want to open up the long and you're thinking about doing that, good for you, man. I'm just going to think about opening up a short around those ranges. But this is the daily ticker, folks. This isn't. I'm not looking at some 50-minute tickers that say, "Oh, Bitcoin's going to do this in the next 2 hours." We don't do that. We don't do that stuff around here. Okay. I can't cuss because we're on YouTube. I don't want to get already demonetized on my second video or whatever it is. But we can't be stupid in the market. Like I said before, use your Bitcoin as collateral on your shorts so you make more Bitcoin in the end. So when you end up making that big long, you're just winning in the end. Back to the price. Has to break this line. $24,000 is a sweet spot. Look at right at 186. And August 9th, I'm going to be looking right around the 8th to open up that short. And if it breaks that, we could see top of this triangle, and either it touches it, and this could be the kiss of death for the markets, or it could continue to rise with the stock market, and we could see some relief for the next month. People are in a let's talk about the Fed real quick before I end this video. The Fed is in an interesting point economically. Basically, I think people have a lot of cash right now from the stocks they've already either sold because they got scared in February, and they're just trying to, make some quick cash right now and just buy whatever stocks they think are going to go. Like, last week Uber did 15%. Like, I don't want to talk about stocks, but if Uber's doing 15% in a recession in a day, that's giving some false hope in the market because people are just trying to latch on to any stinking stock. At the end of the day, people, we all know the Moon Boys don't, the true traders don't buy stocks or crypto that are like Uber because it's just a stupid investment. But when I see stuff like that, it makes me really interested because if those stocks are pumping, then it's just false hope, and false hope will only last so long. And will we see a kiss of death in this confluence triangle and break the Keltner channel and go up to back to the $30,000 range? Cool, man. I'll just open up another short and do the same thing I already just did in June. Let's get this crypto. And I made some nice money all the way until last week, where I've been just watching the markets and just really thinking, really trying to analyze what I think is going to happen. And that's my future prediction. I said back at 19,000 it was going to do some relief, people. Sure enough, 19,000 all the way to 24. If you open up the long, then cool, you got the crypto. I really just kind of tried to short the markets. This is a beautiful short right on my birthday. Where's June 27th? Yeah, look at this. Look at this short. Beautiful short on my birthday all the way to the 1st of July. That was the last big play I really did. And I've been just really kind of watching since. So we'll see, people. August 9th, I'm going to make another video, but I'm going to be really looking at this channel and see if it either kisses it, tries to retest it, and if it tries to retest it and of course breaks, look at the support line, people. The bot's saying 19,000. A nice juicy short at 26,000 all the way to 19. Let's get that crypto, and it could go lower, folks. If it breaks that 19, it just keeps plummeting past that last big resistance you can see in Bitcoin's lifetime. December of 2020, 17,488. If Bitcoin breaks that number, folks, it's the bears are going to do some huge damage, and I'll be here for it, because then I can short it, try to find as low as I can, and of course open up that nice juicy long before we get in the next bull run in the next year to 2 years. For now, the world is crap, of course, as you know. So let's short and let's get that crypto. This is Parker signing out. Cheers.